Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. And today we want to look at this question, which says the rational form of 0.254 is in the form of P over Q. Then P plus Q is, and we are given options. Now, take note of this. This 54, there is a bar on top of it, and that's bring a twist to this question. Naturally, people will say they will transform this into a fraction, and they may say 254 over 1000. If you go this route, you are definitely wrong. Now, the first thing is to do is to take note of this bar. What does it mean? It implies there are repetition of these two numbers to infinity. What do I mean? Let us say let's x equals 0.254. Remember, there is a bar. It means there is repetition of these two numbers to infinity from this decimal that we are given. So to rewrite this will now become x, let us say x equals 0.254 54 and so on and so forth. So let us call this equation 1. Now, to now expand it further, let us multiply this particular equation 1 by 100, such that this equation now becomes 100x. Now, we are multiplying the left side and we are multiplying the right side. Equals, if you multiply this expression by 100, it gives 25.45454. Now let us call this, remember it goes to infinity, let us call this equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So when you subtract x from 100x, this gives us 99x. Equals, if you subtract this decimal, this expression from this expression, then it gives us 25.2. So all this infinity cancels out, because when you subtract 0 from 25, it gives you 25. We have the decimal, subtract 2 from 4, that gives us 2. So 5 will subtract 5, 4 will subtract, so that is how it will go till it reaches infinity. Now we've gotten to this point. Now what is the next thing? We are dealing with rational numbers, so let us make this a whole number such that we can have a rational number, so that we can be able to express in form of P and Q. So to make these two whole number, we have decimal here, let us multiply this expression by 10, such that this becomes 990x equals 252. So let us make x the subject of this equation, such that x equals 252 divided by 990. Now, if you look at this now, is there anything that can divide the numerator and the denominator at the same time? Yes, there is something that can divide. So 18 divides this. If you divide this by 18, it gives us 14. If you divide this by 18, it gives us 55. So this eventually becomes 14 over 55. Remember, that is equation of P over Q. But the question says P plus Q. So that means 14 plus 55, and that gives us 69. So our final answer is C. Thank you very much. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel and please be good. Thank you.